Good morning, everyone.
Morning, everyone.
I want to
I want to
say
say
few words
few words
about
about
Mr.
Mr.
K.
K.
Kamarajar
Ramnagar
and
and
great
their
leader from
leader from
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
He was a
He was a
freedom fighter.
freedom fighter.
Later,
Later,
he
he
became a
became a
chief
chief
minister of
minister of
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
He
He
known as
known as
father of
father of
education
education
because
because
he
he
started
started
free education
free education
and
and
midday
midday
meal scheme
living
for
for
all poor children.
poor children.
He
He
worked
worked
hard for
and for
get